The next three prepositions are since and far. Since is different from far. Since defines a particular point of time, but for defines a duration of time. This is different from that. Okay, for example, since defines particular point of time which will be happening at a particular period or point of time. Okay, example, I have been studying since 5 a.m. Here someone is studying since 5 a.m. means they started to study from 5 a.m. This indicates the particular point of time up to 5. Okay, and then far means duration of time. Example, Maya has worked for 23 years. 23 years defines the duration of time. How many years she has worked means 23 years. It defines the duration, and the 5 a.m. defines the particular point of time. This is the difference between since and for. And the next one, during and in. It means the actions which will happen in particular period of time. Okay, particular period of time means a short period, very short period, or a particular period. Example, we will be visiting my grandparents house. Sorry, not house. We will be visiting my grandparents during the summer vacation. We will be visiting my grandparents in the summer vacation. Summer vacation means we will have summer vacation only a short period of time. During that particular period of time, they are going to visit their grandparents. So this defines the preposition of during and in. Okay, we will be visiting my grandparents during the summer vacation. This is an action that will be happen in a particular period of time. And the last one is between and among. Between means it is defined when naming individual items. It is when naming individual items particularly. Okay, the match will be held between India and Pakistan. Sorry, India and Australia. Here the match is indicated between a specific individual items. Only the both are playing, so it comes under the between. It indicates a specific individual item, so the match will be held between India and Australia. And among, it is not identifying, mentioning individually, but it is a parts of groups. They divided the money among them. Between is different from among. Between is mentioning individually, and among mentioning as a part of groups. This is all about the 6 types of prepositions.